In this session, the topic discussed is about importance of stress management. Stress management consists of prevention and control of stress in individuals. Stress management is a wide spectrum of techniques and psychotherapies aimed at controlling a person's level of stress, especially chronic stress, usually for the purpose of and for the motive of improving everyday functioning. Stress management involves the following: identification and measurement of stress levels, finding the cause of stress, identifying the consequences of stress, and preventing and controlling the stress. Importance of managing stress. Each and every individual suffers from stress one way or the other. Stress makes you weak, so it is important to overcome on beforehand. When stress becomes excessive, it harms health, happiness, work performance, and so on. It is important to address the cause of stress, or else experience of stress will never go away. Stress control includes ABC strategy. A refers to awareness. Be aware about what causes you stress and also understand how do you react. B refers to balance. There is a fine line between positive and negative stress. How much you can cope with before it becomes negative. C is control. What can you do to help yourself combat with the negative effects of stress? So if you apply this strategy, you can definitely bring stress into controllable limits. A is awareness, B refers to balance, and C is control. Not all types of stress are harmful or negative. Some of the different types that might include an experience are distress. In contrast, distress or negative stress has the following characteristics: causes anxiety or concern, can be short or long term. It is perceived as outside of our coping abilities, feeling unpleasant, decreases the performance, can lead to mental and physical problems. Acute stress is a very short term type of stress that can either be positive or more distressing. This is the type of stress we often encounter in day to day life. There's another type of stress which is chronic. Chronic stress is that seems never ending and inescapable, like the stress of a bad marriage or an extremely taxing job. Chronic stress can also stem from traumatic experience and childhood trauma. Episodic or acute stress. Episodic acute stress is stress that seems to run rampant and be a way of life, creating life of ongoing distress. The next type of stress is eustress. Eustress is fun and exciting. It is known as positive type of stress that can keep you energized. It's associated with surges of adrenaline, such as when you are skiing or racing to meet a deadline. Eustress or positive stress has certain characteristics. It motivates, focuses energy, it is short term, it is perceived as within our coping ability, one feels excited and it helps to improve your performance.